Apple is getting ready to launch the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max this September, and according to leaks and insider reports, these models are going to bring some of the biggest upgrades we've seen in years, especially when it comes to the camera system, design, and performance. Let's begin with the design. The iPhone 17 Pro lineup will keep the same display sizes as last year's 6.3 inches for the Pro and 6.9 inches for the Pro Max. However, the design on the back is getting a big refresh. Apple may switch to a new half-glass, half-aluminum back, which would make the phones more durable while still supporting wireless charging. The titanium frame is likely being dropped in favor of aluminum, which is lighter and less prone to breakage. One major design change is the new camera bump. Instead of the usual square layout, the iPhone 17 Pro models might get a horizontal, rectangular bump stretching across the back. This suggests Apple is changing the arrangement of the camera lenses, possibly placing them in a horizontal line. Leaked cases show a large cutout on the back, giving us an idea of how significant the redesign could be. Color options will also expand. Leaks point to a copper-orange shade, in addition to black, silver, gray, and dark blue. There's even talk of a special iridescent color inspired by the iOS 26 liquid glass design, which changes appearance depending on the light. Now let's talk about the display. All iPhone 17 models, not just the Pro versions, might get 120Hz ProMotion displays. However, only the Pro models may offer the adaptive refresh rate that allows for always-on display features Apple had planned to add a new anti-reflective and scratch-resistant coating, but due to manufacturing challenges, that feature may be delayed. The new iPhones will also come with Apple's next generation A19 Pro chip, built on the improved Un-3P 3nm process. This chip promises better performance and power efficiency. To support this chip and keep the phone cool, Apple may introduce vapor chamber cooling, which helps maintain performance even during heavy use. RAM is getting a boost too, jumping from 8GB to 12GB. Moving to the camera system, this is where things get exciting. Apple is rumored to be introducing a huge upgrade to the telephoto lens, increasing it to 48 megapixels, up from 12 megapixel. This means all three rear cameras, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, will now be 48 megapixel. This will not only improve image quality, but also allow for better digital cropping. A big change could be coming to the zoom as well. One leak claims the iPhone 17 Pro models will support 8x optical zoom, up from 5x on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This would be a massive leap, allowing users to capture faraway subjects with sharp detail, perfect for wildlife, concerts, and travel. Apple is also expected to upgrade the front-facing camera to 24 megapixel on all models, improving selfies and video calls. There are even rumors of dual video recording, allowing the front and rear cameras to record at the same time, which is great news for vloggers and creators. 8K video recording could also be part of the package. On top of that, Apple may release a brand new professional camera app with manual controls and advanced video settings. It might be a reworked version of the Final Cut camera app and could come pre-installed on the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. To make these camera features easier to access, Apple may introduce a second camera control button, possibly on the left side of the phone. This would give users quicker access to different camera settings without needing to tap the screen. Battery life is also getting a boost. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to have a 5000 mAh battery, which would be the largest ever in an iPhone. Combined with the efficient A19 Pro chip and Snapdragon X80 modem, users could see longer battery life. Apple is also testing 7.5-watt reverse wireless charging, allowing users to charge their AirPods or Apple Watch directly from the iPhone. Charging speeds could improve as well. iPhones currently support 15-watt wireless charging with third-party chargers, but the iPhone 17 could support 25-watt wireless charging with the new chip to point to standard. Wired charging will remain at 35-watt. Connectivity will also be enhanced. The Pro models will use Qualcomm's latest 5G modems, supporting both Wave and sub-6 GHz bands. All iPhone 17 models will include Apple's first custom Wi-Fi chip with support for Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3. Wi-Fi 7 offers faster speeds and lower latency, especially with a compatible router. There's also some chatter about the name. Some leaks claim that the iPhone 17 Pro Max might be rebranded as the iPhone 17 Ultra, but this rumor has come up in the past and hasn't turned out to be true. As for pricing, the iPhone 17 Pro models could be more expensive due to higher component costs and tariffs. However, Apple may justify the increase with all the new features and upgrades, especially the redesigned cameras. We can expect the official launch in September 2025, alongside the iPhone 17 and the all-new ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air. With these changes, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are shaping up to be some of the most powerful and creator-friendly iPhones ever released. If the leaks hold true, Apple is about to set a new standard in smartphone photography and performance.